My name's Phil Pullinger. I'm the director of Kuno. Kuno is an online web platform for life on Earth. Our mission is to beautifully present different parts of the natural world and to provide the place for the people and groups who are working to conserve nature to have their role and their voice amplified and supported. So Kuno is really excited to be starting work now on a really exciting project, the Kunanyi Stories and Field Guide project. What we're hoping to do with this is to beautifully present the natural values, the landscape, the wildlife, and the stories of human connection with Kunanyi. Kunanyi is an ancient mountain landscape formed out of dolerite, which underpinned the formation of this mountain millions of years ago when the ancient supercontinent of Gondwanaland broke up. So dolerite forms the bedrock for this mountain, and then over millennia, many hundreds of extraordinary plants and animals evolved in and on this landscape and continue to live here today. So this is a place where you can find an extraordinary myriad of bird life, from the pink robin to the yellow-tailed black cockatoo to peregrine falcon, bronzewing eagles, bulbul owls. Absolutely exquisite landscape for birds here. We also have a myriad of animals, from the ring-tailed possum, the Tasmanian devil, the platypus that frequents the beautiful rivers of Kunanyi. And this is an extraordinary landscape as well that interweaves and connects with Hobart, Tasmania's capital city. Hobart really is one of the most beautiful cities in the world, and Kunanyi, this striking wild mountain, is an intimate part of what makes Hobart so special. People in and around Hobart absolutely connected with this wild, beautiful, majestic landscape. And with the Kunanyi Stories project, what we hope to do is build an amazing network of stories, ecology, natural history, human history, and aspects of this mountain that make it quite unique and special. We're delighted to extend an invitation to you to become a partner in this project. We want as many people and groups, people who have a love and connection with this mountain, to be involved, to share their story, and to build a beautiful presentation of what makes this place so special.